I got my residence card, guys. Yeah, naman. Yung favorite niya. Good morning, everyone! Today is the day na pipick upin namin yung Dutch permanent residence ko. And we are heading now to Amsterdam. Actually, malapit na kami. And yung appointment ko is 12:25 in the afternoon. And anong oras pa lang? 11:31 pa lang, guys. Maaga lang kami umalis kasi baka traffic. So, yun. And inagahan talaga namin para hindi kami maghabol ng oras. Kasi last time, rush yung ano namin talaga, nadala na ako. So ngayon, inagahan na talaga namin. Ganda dito sa Amsterdam. Ewan ko kung makakagala kami sa Central ngayon. Pero let's see, pag hindi umulan. Umulan kasi kanina nung umalis kami. So ayan. I will update you guys later. Dito na kami, guys. Pero mayroon pa kaming 40 minutes na time. So gusto niya muna daw magkape. So pupunta muna kami bibili ng kape niya. Anong oras pa lang? Sobrang aga namin. Wala kasing traffic today. Sobrang luwag ng daan kanina. Kaya mabilis lang kami. Ayun. Ayan. Excited na ako makuha yung residence permit ko. Makapag-travel na ulit tayo, babe. We're gonna travel again.
Travel again where?
Germany. Next year. Coffee time. Nagpark lang kami dito, guys. Malapit dun sa office na pupuntahan ko. Dito. Tignan niyo yung electric car. Sobrang liit. Ang cute. Yan yung nakita namin last time. Sa mall. Na, babe?
Yeah, Media Markt for 10k.
10k for electric car.
For electric cars, that's okay. It's not so expensive, but just because it's so small,
Yeah.
and you cannot go on the highway. It only goes 45 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what's the range. I think maybe 70, 80 kilometers. I don't think more.
For sure, the owner is old.
No, why? It's like, let's say if you live in the city, it's a very nice car. But yeah, you cannot go anywhere.
12:06 na, guys. So, meron pa akong 19 minutes para mag-antay. So, mamaya 12:20, punta na kami doon. Ida-drop off niya na ako. And sana mabilis lang. Kasi last time, nung nag-biometrics ako, sobrang bilis lang talaga. 2 minutes tapos na. So, ito naman, pipick upin ko lang naman yung residence card ko. So, yun lang. Sana mabilis lang. Sana hindi masyado matao sa loob. And yun. And hindi siya pwede pumasok, ako lang. Kaya, ida-drop off niya lang ako. Oo. And,
Van Mossel, voor mobiliteit voor iedereen.
Geniet maar even van dit McDonald's momentje.
so cold, babe.
Is it?
Huh?
Is it?
Yes, it's very cold. You know the lady inside? Where's your appointment? And then I showed my screenshot. And then, this is not appointment. She said. And then someone guy came to me and Oh, you're done? Yeah, and go to number 7.
Why are you shaking?
It's cold. Yes.
So you still want to walk in Amsterdam?
Yeah.
So let's go to take some broodje first.
Look. Don't show
Oh,
me.
don't show, don't show, don't show.
I'm so ugly, babe. I'm so bad here. I got my residence card, guys. Here. Sobrang bilis lang. And ito yung mga instructions ng aking permit and 5 years valid. 2030 yung expiration mo. 5 years. Yay, makakagala na kami. Ang pangit ko dito. Ang taba ng mukha ko. Let's go now.
So with this you can go to Germany now.
Mhm.
With this thing.
Yeah. You just have to show that.
So you have to have your own passport and this one.
No, only that. I don't need to bring my passport because I have residence permit from here. Yeah? So hindi ko na kailangan hindi ko na kailangan dalhin yung passport ko kasi hindi naman na siya wala naman akong visa. So kailangan ko lang ipakita kapag nagte-travel kami paghanapin sa saan yan? Sa checkpoint, sa borders ng Germany, sa mga ganyan. Kasi doon madalas may checkpoint, guys. May mga police. So, pag hinanap nila yung ko, ito lang papakita ko. So, ayan. Let's put it here. In my wallet. Wow. Yay! Finally, guys. Nandito na kami guys sa center. Bibili kami ng broodje.
Thank you very much.
Guys, sobrang lamig dito. Kahit nakasuot na ako ng double-double na lamig. Super. Kakain muna kami. Dahil gutom na yung asawa ko. Let's eat, everyone. Let's eat broodje. Sobrang laki naman na ito. Hindi ko makaubos. Iba yung in-order niya.
Masarap.
There's not this.
Hmm?
Is this? Guys, nandito kami sa Almere. Sasaglit lang kami kasi bibili kami ng soy sauce and baka bibili ako ng Milo kapag meron. Sine-check na lang yung tires. Ha? Di na kami pumunta sa guys, sa Amsterdam kasi umuulan dun. Pero dito, ang ganda ng weather. Ito na pala yung shop. Ayan, let's go inside. Mag-doorbell tayo. Is it this one? Tan tan tan. Dito na kami guys sa loob. Naghanap siya ng sandwich.
Ikaw naman. Mamahal. Ayaw na, natanggal na. Hindi kaya. So, big scotch tape muna kaya.
Show me.
Titiklop.
Yeah. How much?
Teka, lagyan na lang natin.
4 euros.
Kaya mo.
4?
Ito naman nalagay dito. Ayun, sa mga bata. Wala na yung ayusin ko pa yan mamaya. Oo.
You want to go here on Saturday? May Christmas party daw sila guys dito.
Christmas party here?
Yeah, daw You wanna go?
Let's see, because I need to buy like barbecue grill for Christmas.
Oh, what dates on Saturday? 21?
21?
I don't know. Ask if they have. What are you looking?
Oh,
San Miguel?
What, do you need something else?
Nothing. I
Like
think
this?
so. Yeah, that's enough.
And some, how do you say, oyster sauce?
What are you looking there?
12. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, dito sa loob, marami ng...
Guys, may bagoong sila. Gisado.
Sa Sabado, maraming bubuha.
I think same yung nandun sa
Wala pa yung tent
bahay.
mo, bro.
Wala silang sweet.
Kaya nga na.
Ito lang yung binili namin, guys. Tadam!
Sa dami ng...
Punta kasi.
Kaya mo yan.
Pag ano, saan ka ba?
Utrecht po.
Utrecht? Malapit lang. Utrecht.
Wow!
You can take direct train from Utrecht and it's just there, the train station. And then you
Almere
can...
Centrum. You go down to Almere
Yeah,
Centrum.
it's only 5 minutes walk.
But you don't have work.
No, 7.
Try pa namin.
For 15 euro, we have food already. And you can join the raffle also. You're gonna win 100 euro worth of Filipino product. And also one-time play bingo, 1 sack of rice, 18 kilo, yeah.
A lot of surprises.
Yeah.
Marami pong pupunta.
I'm not sure yet, but marami-rami din siguro.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sobra yung mga 100 kasi hindi tayo kakasya dito.
In and out.
21, 27.
Damihan mo na nga.
Huh? Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. Yeah. Just come if you want. Yeah, this Saturday.
Have a nice day.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Yun lang yung sinadya namin. Bahay na kami, guys. Ito lang yung mga pinamili namin. Ilang piraso? 2, 4, 6. Dalawa na yung kinuha niyang soy sauce kasi adik na adik ako dito. Ito yung pinaglilian ko na sausawan. Tapos, kumuha lang siya ng 2 beer. Yung favorite niya na Red Horse. Tapos, may nakita siyang, bagong, beer. Guapito. Ang mahal nito, 4 euros. Tapos, kumuha lang ako na isang pancit. Is this chili mansi? Oh no, hindi. Yeah, chili mansi. Sorry. Hindi ko nakita. Tapos, itong snacks ko. May snacks na naman ako mamayang gabi. Itong favorite ko dito yung condensed snack, crackers. Yun lang. Siguro iluluto ko tong pancit canton. Kasi nagugutom na din ako. Babe, should I put your beer inside the fridge? Inside of the fridge?
No.
No? It's still cold.
Sure.
Luto ko na yung pancit canton, guys.
5 working days.
Okay. Tapos, ito yung crackers. Nag-open account na din ako sa ING. Tapos siya, umiinom lang ng beer. Manonood kami ng vlog. Let's eat, guys. Pancit canton. Tagal ko na hindi kumain nito. Namiss ko to.
To steal the pancakes, unable to resist the smell.
Tapos crackers. Guys, may binili kaming ito. Yung sinisindahan tapos pumuputok-putok. Para sa Pasko. Pero, tatry namin. Actually, I tried this before, but
They told me you didn't.
yeah.
That's why I took it. Otherwise I wouldn't take it. It's not,
Not dangerous.
no, it's like, it's not actually hot, you know? You see?
Like
The middle is hot.
when you're welding. It's like this. Don't fall! What?
And you see it's not hot. You see?
There's no put on your face! You're crazy. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Don't put on fire. The thing that the middle is hot. So be careful, but only the sparks are not.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New
Merry Christmas
Year!
and Happy New Year is almost done.